feel your love, it's here to stay. Every heartbeat keeps the groove alive. Roots vibration keeps my soul revived. Roots of my heart, they never fade away. I keep on singing through the break of day. The freedom inside is the reggae way. I'm dancing to the roots of yesterday. Yeah, I'm dancing to the roots of yesterday.
Rhythm in my soul, dub echo rolls, making me whole. Sister of the sound, I'm feeling high under the stars of a Kingston sky.
Children laughing, drums begin to play. Spirits rising as we greet the day. Jah love will never fade away. Through every storm we find a way. Roots grow deep where the truth will Rastas in this song, dub echo rolling through the sound. I feel Jah presence all around. Now the night falls soft and low, stars above in a gentle glow. Every rhythm tells a story true of ancient hearts that still beat through. Carry me home to the land of peace where the rivers flow and the hearts release
of my soul, where it all begins. From the mountain to the sea, love and unity will set us free. Rise up, my people, don't you cry. Jah light will guide us through the sky. Hold the faith, let your spirit fly. We're rising higher by and by. Dub echoes roll through the mystic night. Baseline steady, hearts ignite. Trumpet calling in a distant haze, guided by the rhythm of praise. Now the morning sun begins to shine. I feel your presence, pure